Did you know that after 50, adults can lose up to 15% of their leg strength every single decade? Keeping your legs strong, mobile, and cramp-free? Stick around, because today we're revealing 5 powerhouse foods that science says can slow muscle loss, boost energy, and keep you doing what you love. Oh, and wait until you hear about the ancient superfood that astronauts take to space. The impact of aging on leg muscles. As we age, our muscles naturally shrink, a process called sarcopenia. Leg muscles are hit hardest, making stairs feel like mountains and increasing fall risks. But here's the kicker: nutrition can slow this down dramatically. In fact, studies show that combining strength exercises with the right diet can reverse muscle loss by up to 30%. Which brings us to, so, let's dive in. 1. Sweet potatoes, the muscle rehab hero. First up, sweet potatoes. These aren't just for Thanksgiving. Their complex carbs fuel your muscles all day long, no energy crashes. Plus, they're packed with vitamin A, which repairs muscle tissue faster. Fun fact: NASA sends sweet potatoes to space for astronauts' muscle health. Question for you: why do we crave carbs after a workout? Because muscles store carbs as glycogen, their #1 energy source. And guess what? Sweet potatoes even have more potassium than bananas to stop leg cramps. 2. Berries, the antioxidant powerhouse. Meet berries, nature's candy with a muscle-saving twist. Blueberries have the highest antioxidant levels of any fruit, fighting oxidative stress that ages muscles. Did you know? Roman soldiers ate berries to recover from battles. Pro tip: frozen berries are just as nutritious, and cheaper. 3. Oats, the steady energy secret. Next, oats. Their low glycemic index means no blood sugar spikes, just steady energy for walks or gardening. But here's the shocker: oats contain plant-based protein to repair muscles while you sleep. Did you know? Medieval warriors ate oats for stamina. Today, we know their magnesium relaxes muscles, and iron fights fatigue. What's the best time to eat oats? Morning or post-workout, when your body craves sustained fuel. 4. Avocados, the inflammation fighter. Avocados aren't just trendy, they're muscle-saving marvels. Their monounsaturated fats reduce inflammation, easing joint pain. Plus, they've got more potassium than bananas, yes, again, and vitamin E to heal sore muscles. Fun fact: Aztecs called avocados fertility fruit, but we love them for mobility. Question: how much avocado daily? Just 1/4 to 1/2 a day. Slice it on eggs, blend it in smoothies, your legs will thank you. 5. Fortified plant milks, bone and muscle guardian. Last but not least, fortified plant milks. Lactose intolerant? No problem. 1 glass packs 50% of your daily calcium for strong bones and vitamin D to prevent falls. Shocking stat: 1 in 4 seniors lack enough vitamin D, a muscle weakness culprit. Soy and pea milks even offer 8 grams of protein per cup. Why vitamin D? It helps muscles absorb calcium, so they contract smoothly. So, let's recap: sweet potatoes for energy, oats for stamina, avocados for joints, berries for recovery, and plant milks for bone-muscle synergy. Your mission? Add one of these to every meal. And hey, always consult your doctor before diet changes. If this helped you, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend who needs it, and subscribe for more science-backed aging tips. Together, let's keep those legs moving strong. Until next time, stay fierce, stay fueled.